Hi everyone, Sarah here. Hope you're all doing well today. I have another product to share with you guys. This is a storage item. I was contacted by SanderDirect to review some of their products for them. And this one is through Amazon. I will have all the links for you guys down below. It came through Amazon Prime, so it was super fast, but I've already opened it up so I could see what was in it. So here it is, all packaged up with the bubble wrapping and the air pockets. This is just their slip here. Let me move this off to the side. So this is the storage container that has 60 bottles, but it's a plastic container. I know a lot of people have been sharing like the little suitcase style ones, but I thought this would be cool to have it in a plastic container. So that's the bubble wrap. It did come with a little white tray with a spout. Let me get this plastic off. You can see all those little containers in there. Alright, so there is, this is usually the ones I think they have when they're hanging them in the stores, but they just have these little blue latches on them that click closed. And there's a hinged lid. I do have quite a few labels here. And then inside, oh, there is still grids. So if you wanted to do more than one painting, you could separate them all out. So here is the little containers. Let me get my ruler. So it is just a little bit over 1 3/4, and the diameter is just under 1 inch. So that's the size of the containers. And then, I don't know if you guys can see these little, because they're plastic see-through grids. So you could put them in if you wanted to, or take them out. And then, so there's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and then these ones are separated into 5s, but 60 total. That is really cool. And then you, if you wanted more, oh, there's even like, it's kind of like a handle, these little indented sections, so it's nice and easy to hold, but you could stack more on top of each other. That's awesome. Pretty excited about this. Now, I'm not sure how much it will hold, but this bag here is about the same size as the strips that you get, and this is like a full bag. So I'm going to pour this in and see how much we can get in here. I think I dropped one. So there it is, and it almost was a full package. And again, that's the same size as the large, like a full package of the strip diamond painting drills. So that is pretty cool. I'm excited about that. I could kit up even a diamond art club with 60 containers, because you can use more than one container for each if you want to. And the container is like a hard plastic, but the lids are softer so they won't break. The hard ones generally tend to crack. Everything came in good condition. I don't see any broken or damaged bottles. Exciting. That's great. So that is it. I will leave a link. Oh, I'll let you guys know the price. This one, Canadian, because this is on Amazon.ca, is $25.99, and because it's shipped through Amazon, it's free delivery, I believe. Yeah. It's shown as sold by Homecraftology Direct and fulfilled by Amazon, but it is it's SanderDirect who contacted me. And then the actual container is 11 3/4 by let's say 8, because your hinges come out on the side here. So awesome. Check it out. Comment. The link is down below. Leave a comment, subscribe, and have a great day. Thanks. Bye.